Well, have you ever wondered the price of some of the most expensive roller coasters in the world? In this video, I will be covering the top 20 most expensive roller coasters in the whole world, and beware, some of these prices might shock you just a little bit, but say no more, let's go through this list. Now coming in at spot number 20, we got Red Force with a price tag of $28 million, and this ride currently stands as the tallest and fastest roller coaster in Europe, and it is located in Spain in a park called PortAventura World. And one of the parks in this theme park resort is called Ferrari Land, and this is where this enormous coaster stands. And Red Force stands 367 feet tall, and it reaches a maximum speed of 112 miles per hour. This awesome LSM launch takes the riders to the maximum speed in just 5 seconds. Now coming in at spot number 19, we got Fury 325 with a price tag of $30 million. And this enormous coaster currently stands as the tallest roller coaster in the world with a lift hill. Well, the height of this roller coaster is funny enough 325 feet, and after this very big stomach dropping first drop, Fury 325 takes you through a lengthy roller coaster experience combining twists and turns with the high speed and also airtime hills. Now coming in at spot number 18, we got Thunder Dolphin with a price tag of $37 million. Thunder Dolphin has a very bizarre location. This big hyper coaster by Intamin is located at the top of a roof, and it's not just any roof. This coaster is located at the top of Tokyo Dome City in, yes, Tokyo of course. Thunder Dolphin might feature one of the most bizarre locations for any coaster in the world. Now coming in at spot number 17, we got Fly with an estimated price tag of $39 million, and this one really is a one-of-a-kind attraction located in the famous theme park called Phantasialand in Germany. And Fly, funny enough, offers a flying coaster experience with 2 different launches. This coaster really offers a heavily themed ride experience because you're flying in and over different areas in this heavily themed area called Rookburg. Now coming in at spot number 16, we got Revenge of the Mummy with a price tag of $40 million. There are overall many different versions of Revenge of the Mummy out there in the world, but I'm talking about the ride located in Universal Orlando. And this one is by far the biggest and most impressive one of them all. You have these huge showrooms with jump scares, pyrotechnics and many animatronics. And on top of that, you can also expect a highly thrilling roller coaster experience with the launch and airtime moments. Now coming in at spot number 15, we got Voltra Nea with a price tag of $44.8 million. And this very impressive thrill machine just opened last year in the German theme park called Europa Park. Voltra Nea really offers anything. You have a highly thrilling roller coaster layout, but also a heavily themed ride experience. As a rider, you need to prepare for a lengthy ride experience with airtime moments, awesome inversions and many different launches. Now coming in at spot number 14, we got Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket with a price tag of $45 million. And this ride is also located in Universal Studios Orlando. And the Rip Ride Rocket has always offered a very polarizing ride experience, but at least you can choose your own music for the ride. Well, it's quite sad because this roller coaster is going to close in September. Now coming in at spot number 13, we got X2 with a price tag of $45 million. And this coaster is really known for offering one of the most intense ride experiences in the world. And X2 is a very bizarre 4th dimension roller coaster where you have these big and insane looking elements combined with the rotating seats on the train. Just beware, the intensity of X2 might be too much for some people. Now coming in at spot number 12, we got Hollywood Dream the Ride with a price tag of $50 million. And this roller coaster is located in Universal Studios Japan. And if I'm being completely honest, Hollywood Dream the Ride doesn't really look that special. It just looks like a smaller version of a B&M hypercoaster as we know over in America. But there's one special thing about this ride, and that is the backwards facing train. Now coming in at spot number 11, we got Steel Dragon 2000 with a price tag of $52 million. And this big and impressive roller coaster is also located in Japan but in Nagashima Sparland. And Steel Dragon is overall a big giga coaster with a height exceeding 300 feet, but on top of that it is really the longest coaster in the whole world right now. And coming in at spot number 10, we got Flying Dinosaur with a price tag of $70 million. And funny enough, we're still staying in Japan but now back to Universal Studios. And Flying Dinosaur is of course a flying coaster created by the Swiss manufacturer B&M, and this ride is really known for being very intense and perhaps one of the best flying coasters in the whole world. Well, how many times did I just say flying right there? Coming in at spot number 9, we got Raging Spirits with a price tag of $74 million. I might as well say it again, this ride is located in Tokyo Disney Sea in Japan, and Raging Spirits overall just offers a simple roller coaster layout with this vertical loop in the middle. But it's really the heavily themed area around the coaster that makes the price tag go way up. Well, that that's pretty much the trend for the rest of these coasters. Now coming in at spot number 8, we got Belushi Coaster with a price tag of $80 million. Belushi Coaster is really known for offering one of the best roller coaster experiences in the whole world, and it's clear to see why. Yes, this is really an all-inclusive ride experience. You have a heavily themed queue line and many effects, but also a world-class roller coaster layer with 2 launches, many airtime moments and whippy inversions. Now coming in at spot number 7, we got Star Wars Hyperspace Mountain with a price tag of $90 million. And this very beautiful yet impressive indoor roller coaster is located in Disneyland Paris. Now inside this big dome you can expect a very classic inclined launch roller coaster that is very intense, but I have to admit you may be thrown around a bit on this roller coaster. And coming in at spot number 6, we got Expedition Aries with a price tag of $100 million. This ride experience can be found in Walt Disney World's Animal Kingdom, and this one might be one of the most impressive ride structures created. Yeah, that's right, the Disney engineers has literally created this man-made Mount Everest mountain for this roller coaster. And this impressive looking structure is said to be 200 feet tall, and that is just amazing. Now coming in at spot number 5, we got Falcons Flight with a rumored price tag of $100 million. Well, I really had to include the highly anticipated roller coaster that will break all records in the whole world. And Falcons Flight will be the tallest, fastest and longest coaster in the world. And once it opens, this will be the most expensive in the world in terms of pure roller coaster design. Now coming in at spot number 4, we got Tron Lightcycle Run with an estimated value of $120 million. Tron is yet another highly immersive roller coaster experience located at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. And this is where you can expect a bit more intense roller coaster experience with this launch and also the special motorbike seating right here. Combined with an awesome lighting package, you must see this roller coaster running in the night. And coming in at spot number 3, we got Escape from Gringots with an estimated value of $200 million. And this heavily immersive ride experience is located in Universal Studios Orlando. And Escape from Gringots is a great combination of roller coaster and dark ride attraction. This ride also utilizes 3D goggles, so you have some very big screens. And well, this coaster might feature one of the most impressive queue lines in the whole world right here. And coming in at spot number 2, we got Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure with a price tag of $300 million. And this ride is a very impressive multi-launch motorbike coaster located in Islands of Adventure in Orlando. And this might be one of the most technical rides in the whole world because it features 7 different launches, many different special track elements such as stall, backward sections, drop tracks and so on. And combined with that, you have many awesome dark ride scenes with very expensive animatronics from the Harry Potter series. Now coming in at spot number 1, we got Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind with a price tag of $500 million. And world's most expensive roller coaster is located in Walt Disney World's Epcot. Cosmic Rewind offers a very lengthy and very thrilling indoor roller coaster layout. And combined with this highly immersive queue line with the pre-show, you also have an awesome roller coaster with many different lighting effects and also big screens. Combined with the awesome music and spinning roller coaster trains, you can only have a good time on this ride. And now we have finally gone through 20 of the most expensive roller coasters in the whole world. And let me know in the comments if you were really shocked about some of these prices. Now please consider subscribing to my channel for more awesome theme park and roller coaster content. And at the end of the day, I'm always gonna say bye bye.